so warm today. What the hell? Like, so warm. I literally left my house because I wanted to make my way to Massimo Dutti, but I've realised how hot it is. So glad I'm wearing this vest top, this Skims bodysuit. Boiling. Do you know what I need actually whilst I'm on my way to Massimo Dutti? Is some dresses. I feel like, for me, I love summertime, not dressing up in the summer, but I feel like I always get like a nice cord, a nice skirt, a nice top, but I feel like I don't have a lot of good dresses in my collection, so I hopefully will get to try some on in Massimo Dutti. I don't know why I feel like when it comes to the Inditex brand, I feel like the brands that I shop in there most, I don't even really shop in Stradivarius. I don't even know if Stradivarius is part of Inditex, but I feel like I never shop in Massimo Dutti. It's just a shop that I just never enter. But I don't know if I want to have an expensive habit of that shop because the clothes in there are so expensive. But literally, I'm so warm. Don't know if you guys can tell. I've got no makeup on today, just brows and a bit of lip gloss because we're trying on clothes. We want to be respectful because we're not sure if we're going to buy them. And I hate buying clothes or trying clothes on in a shop. I'm going to the till and see makeup on it. It's like the biggest thing that super annoying. So if you know you're trying on clothes, girls, come on, like, try not to put makeup on if you're actually going in store and trying on clothes because it is so annoying. And then the people at the till can't do anything. It's whether you want to take it or not, especially during sale period, which is super annoying. But yeah, super warm, super hot, and I need to get some food after this because I'm starving. I would also love to know if you guys are enjoying this series, like if you want me to keep it strictly high street, because realistically I'm not going into a luxury brand and trying on their pieces because I don't know if I care that much. I feel like if I'm ever buying luxury, it's going to be discounted, and I'm not really about buying anything expensive right now, so I'm trying to be really good with my money. So I'm not going to probably do luxury, but I haven't really bought clothes online in a long time either, so I'm not sure if I should do this with ASOS. But the whole theme of this videos is the fact that I don't shop in store enough and I miss it, so I think it'll be good to actually show you guys continuously what's available in store. But if you're liking these videos, don't forget to like, comment, share with a friend, subscribe, and let me know the places where you're shopping at. So we are in Massimo Dutti, and apologies for the tight space. When I went in this changing room, I said, how am I going to record in here? Because it's a little bit tight. There's a little bit too much not going on anywhere. Where am I going to place my bag? Where am I going to place my camera? A lot going on, but I made it work for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this Massimo Dutti shop. So one thing about Massimo Dutti, what I like is the quality. I cannot lie to you. When I was trying on the clothes, I said, do you know what? You are part of the Inditex family, but the quality is also amazing. So I tried on this top with the eyelets in it. It actually has a matching pair of bottoms, which I saw on the website, and don't forget, everything is linked down below on my LTK especially. I did like this, but I just didn't know if it fitted my frame a lot, and I felt like if I had the matching trousers, I would have had a better understanding if I liked the outfit. But maybe I might have to try this again and see what it's like and what price it goes down to in the sale. Second thing I tried on were these trousers. I normally stay away from trousers because they never fit me, especially because I have such long legs. But I really did like this pair. They're like a crinkly linen material. I think it's like an off pink colour. And apologies, you can't see the full length. So make sure you check out my Instagram and TikTok if you want to see the full length of these trousers. But they're really cute. And I'm wearing them with my Skims bodysuit. Third thing was this skirt. I really did like it. I love the colour. I love the fact that it was all flapping around. This skirt was actually quite long. I think it reached around like my shin area. I felt like it would have looked better if I was wearing like a brown top on top, but you know, the Skims bodysuit was neutral, so that I did my best. I did like the fact that it was really very flowy, something that you really need in the summertime, if especially going to like an area, there's a little beach area, so you don't feel like your just clothes are clinging onto you. Not everyday bodycon, sometimes a nice flowy dress or skirt. I think the third item was this set. I saw this on the hanger and thought, oh, you're a bit of me. Tried it on, hated it. I feel like the vest top cuts me off at such an awkward angle, and I just don't know, I don't like it. I feel like I prefer the skirt because the skirt was like a crinkly maxi skirt, but together I just didn't think it worked. I felt like the skirt was nice. I'd probably pair it with like a nice fitted white vest top instead, or if there was like a nice fitted cropped brown vest top. But you can see how the top is just hitting me at such an awkward angle. Like, I don't know why the top was so short. So yeah, I didn't really like this. Next outfit was this satin dress. I'm always going to try on a satin dress when I go shopping. This dress was really nice. I felt like it was a bit baggy in certain areas and a bit fitted in certain areas, but my real problem was the neckline. I do like a scooped like circle neckline, but I felt like this neckline wasn't doing it for me. Maybe because the straps were just a bit too close together. I don't know. It was just looking a bit weird. I was trying to cinch in my waist to see if I'd like it, but didn't really enjoy it. I did love the colour though. I felt like maybe if I sized down it might be better, but it did fit. It just wasn't hogging my body and definitely need to get it altered. Love this dress. I picked it up because I'm in my girly era. You guys know, like, I'm ready to be like a girl again and just like enjoy being a woman. So this dress was like this, like thin strapped maxi pink dress, linen material. The crinkle detail even looks so nice, and I had it with my orange slippers and sandals that I got from Zara. It just looks so cute. Absolutely loved it. Loved the colour. Felt so princessy and girly, and I feel like this is something that I'll come back and get. Yeah, that's me saying I love it. Like, I wish I actually got this dress now that I'm looking back at it. So when it comes with a sale, hopefully it's in there and I can pick it up, because it was just so effortless, something that I could just throw on, and I felt like it just suited me so well. And this was my favourite dress, honestly. This dress was gorgeous. I saw it just before I was going to go in the changing room, and this dress is gorgeous. Like, look at the colour of it. I love the embroidery detail in the front of it. I couldn't do it up because I was by myself, but I just felt like this is the perfect dress for me. When I'm talking about figure hugging, it just suits my body so well. I wish I got it actually, because it is so, so nice. And I feel like this is another dress I'm going to make sure to get, especially if it comes in the sale. But I just love the colour of it. I love how it fit my body. I just love the fact that it was just like breezy. I just know I could wear this on holiday, and especially when it's getting warmer in the UK as well, for like a nice brunch in London. But yeah, really did like the shop. One thing is though, Massimo Dutti is quite expensive compared to the other Inditex brands, and I felt like, do you know what, maybe we're just paying for quality. But I feel like Massimo Dutti is going to be a shop that I shop when there's a sale period, especially in the summertime, because the pieces are actually very, very nice, and I feel like I'm wearing good quality pieces as well. And if it's not me, a lot of people don't actually wear Massimo Dutti, so I would be standing out quite a bit. But don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let me know where I should shop next, and follow me on my socials. Thank you guys for tuning in this week's video.